What if every time you shopped, you weren't just spending money, but also investing it? It's not a fantasy. It's exactly what Acorns Earn program does, turning your everyday purchases into bonus investments for your portfolio. But you might be wondering, how do you really maximize this? I'm talking about stacking up that cash back. Acorns Earn is a powerful tool. It's like a secret weapon for passive investing. By shopping with their Earn partners, a percentage of your purchase, or a flat dollar amount, gets invested directly into your Acorns account. And the best part is, this is in addition to the roundups that you're already earning. So, how do you hack it? First, think of Acorns Earn as a shopping portal. Before you buy anything online, check the Earn section of your Acorns app or the browser extension. You'll find hundreds of partners, from major retailers to travel sites. Don't just assume the brands you know are there, check for local and lesser-known businesses, too. The key here is to be intentional. Next, and this is a big one, double dip on rewards. You can often combine your Acorns Earn cash back with credit card rewards. Imagine you're booking a hotel. You go through the Acorns app to get your bonus investment, and you pay with a travel rewards credit card. Now you're earning a bonus investment and credit card points or cash back. This is where the magic really happens. Finally, be a smart shopper. Look for limited-time promotions from Acorns. Some partners offer boosted rewards for a specific period. These can be significant, sometimes a higher percentage back than usual. Also, keep an eye out for special Simply Spend offers where you just have to use a linked card at a participating store, no portal necessary. This makes earning effortless. In the end, it's about making a habit of checking Acorns Earn before you spend. A small amount here and there adds up over time, and with the power of compound interest, those little investments can turn into something much bigger. You're not just shopping, you're building your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.